if I can open the damn door at the same time. This door is heavy.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Northwest Portland International.
Hold on.
Want to take a little ride with us?
I gotta take the mic around. Hold on. What? Yep. Then what? Go for it.
Let's go. So we've got a couple of people to stay here. We've got Aaron, who knows everything that there is to know about engineering, mechanics, and stuff. He's a really wise guy. This guy right here is going to build the next civilization on Mars. He's going to get the contract from the U.S. government to build his company. Right here, we've got two-time fucking snowboarding champion Shaun White.
That was awesome, man. Shaun White, welcome to the hostel. I appreciate your 900s. They really do me justice.
Yeah. So now we're back here, and this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you guys how we get down here. So by now, 12 p.m., you should have a claw in your hand. If not, you're not the man. There's a lot of cool stuff. I love the plant.
Hold on. Can we pause this so I can turn the mic around so I can get the mic to hear you?
I'm trying to give you like the best video of your life.
You already have, because I'm not editing this out. I'm gonna let this go in so my YouTubers, my subscribers, my nation can hear you very well. All right, guys, I traced the mic around.
I got this. Change the mic around. Let's make this happen. All right, wait. Don't record yet. Is it recording?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but you can edit it out, right?
No, I'm not editing anything.
Oh, fuck. All right.
People like that. People like that. People like bloopers.
Let's take it down here. So, you've already seen a small group of you guys that stay here. Obviously, Shaun White is a big inspiration to a lot of people around here. I myself am a snowboarder, not as good as Shaun White, but I'm almost getting there. California IA. So as you see here, this is actually, when things were open, this was actually a really cool, dope hangout spot. So this get a little fire pit going, all right? And at night, people would sit around here, have a little beer, a little cocktail, some wine, whatever you like, and sit around the fire, tell their stories or whatnot. As you can see in here, there's a lot of work being done, and got things moving, so cool. As you see, this is where it's at. If you guys want to come out here and have a good time, this is where it's at. You're going to meet cool people like me, like my homeboy Panda on the camera, which needs no introduction, as we know. Let's go. We do this. As we come out to the street, you can see there's a lot of cool stuff going on. We've got spectators around here. Really cool spot. And right here is the front office, so there's a lot of things that we've got going on here. There's Justin.
This Justin.
Give a little wave, Justin. Justin runs everything here. He's the manager. He's got a cool place, a lot of stuff going. So let's keep it walking. We love what we do, and what we do is we inspire people and show them how to have a good time and party. So I like to party, and I think partying isn't a bad thing. It shouldn't be looked at negatively. It should be looked at as something fun, something that you do with your friend, you know. Let's keep walking up the street. Why not? So I think we should show what my daily routine is. But what I like to do is, I'm usually busy doing stuff for work. So I work for Nike. I got a lot of stuff going on marketing wise. But when I have a minute, I like to go get a White Claw. Mango White Claws. The only way to go. You gotta wave to the bus drivers every once in a while. They like that. So, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 30 years old, just turned a dirty 30, June 9th, so yes, I'm a Gemini. No, I'm not two-faced, so screw you guys for thinking. But, I do like to party, I like to communicate, I like to connect with people. I think that we are all part of the same thing, essentially. Part of all of the same energy. So what we can do is come together as one, is start connecting with one another. Not look at each other as strangers, but rather as distant relatives. And you do that by getting a White Claw or a Truly. I don't discriminate on Trulies or White Claws, right above. Yeah. Waiting at the crosswalk. How you doing today, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. All right, I think it's safe to cross. Don't mind the hand. It doesn't matter. You don't see cars coming. It's safe to cross in America. So now we're gonna be going to my favorite little convenience store right around the corner, where I get to have my White Claws and I get to see my favorite cashiers in Portland. Hello. How are you? Good, good. Man, go White Claws. The way to go. I am famous. No, I'm kidding.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm kidding.
Nice to meet you.
I should. All right.
No bag?
No bag. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. America. White Claws. I want to thank the person who invented White Claws, who invented this God gift. That's what it is. Because, I mean, it's so smooth when it hits your lips.
It is. It is smooth.
I think we may be able to cross. Nope. Look at that claw. That's crazy. What's your take on a White Claw?
I think that's pretty good.
Yeah?
I would definitely drink them when I'm working or relaxing a little bit.
Now, sake. We should do an episode on sake,
Ooh.
right?
That's
And
up
different
my alley.
types. And you should be, that's your expertise. So let's walk. Once again, it's okay. Oh, well, look, we've got the walking thing, so we're good. So, you know, the one thing I'll tell you about Portland is it was a beautiful morning. Sun was out, everything, and now the clouds are storming in. It's rainy, or it looks like it's about to rain. So the weather constantly changing in Portland, but there's a beauty to that. That's why it's so green here. That's why you're able to see all the seasons, as opposed to just being in somewhere like LA, which I love. Nothing against LA, but you've only got 2 seasons: hot and summer. Summer and summer. LA. This is one of my favorite people here at the hostel. Okay.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi.
My sister from another mister, Sarah.
That's me.
You know, number one, she's cool. She's like the mom of the hostel. She takes care of everybody, makes sure we're all in check. You know, if we step out of line, she smacks us one time.
Ooh.
That's all it takes.
We love you, Sarah. Thank you very much. Oh, look, and we got Bria. So now we got Bria here. Bria's, oh, she left. She doesn't want to be on camera.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. Not everyone can be as beautiful as me, right? Let's go. We got this. You're being filmed.
Paparazzi.
Let me get one of those, please.
Yeah.
So, let's take a nice little look at this. All right. And now it's time to cheers, Mike. The power of the claw. It does a lot of things to you. And you get a claw on a cigarette. You get it like this. And you drink it. It's phantasmic. Almost orgasmic. If you know what I mean. Here you go, sorry.